Welcome back to our pronunciation series. Today we're going to focus on the word variety. The first syllable is V, pronounced like V-A-H, with a short sound. V. The second syllable is rye, which is the same as rye, R-Y-E, like rye bread. The third syllable is E, pronounced like U-H or ah. And the last syllable is T-Y, pronounced like T, T-E-E, with a short E sound. When we put it all together, it looks like this. V-ri-a-T. Variety. Did you notice where the word stress is for variety? Once more. Variety. The word stress is on the second syllable, rye. Variety. Variety. You may also hear that when people say variety very fast, it may sound more like this. Variety. Variety. But I recommend practicing variety first before you start using the fast-speaking version. Here is a sentence example. I have a variety of videos on my channel. I hope you enjoy them all. Please click the like button and thank you for supporting the Single Step English channel. See you next time.